Let's learn how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily on both iPhone and Android devices. The process is pretty simple, so just watch this step-by-step tutorial until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's open our Instagram application and then click on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen in order to go to your Instagram profile. Once we are here, we want to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner and this menu will pop up. From here, tap on this Settings and Privacy option. Once we get to our Instagram settings, we'll see a bunch of different options. As you may know, we had the deactivate and delete options inside of these settings, but after the new update they've moved it into another section. You want to click on the Account Center option, which should be at the very top of your screen, and then it's gonna open the center where you can customize and change all kinds of things related to your Instagram and Facebook accounts. In order to deactivate our Instagram account, we want to tap on the Personal Details button. Then open this option called Account Ownership and Control. Click here on the deactivation or deletion. And if you have a couple of different Instagram and Facebook accounts on your device, select the one which you want to deactivate. I want to deactivate my personal Instagram account, so I'll select that. And a new menu will pop up where we can select if we want to deactivate our Instagram or delete it. I have a separate video on how you can permanently delete your Instagram account with some explanations, so I'll leave that video link in the description down below. I'm gonna deactivate this account, so I'll select that and continue to the next step. Now we have to enter in our Instagram password for security reasons, so I'll enter in my password and then we can proceed to the next step. They'll probably ask you for a reason on why you are deactivating your Instagram, so you can select any of these reasons, and you simply have to confirm your decision. Keep in mind that you can reactivate your account at any time by simply logging in with your username and password. This deactivation method is temporary, and your profile will be hidden, no one will be able to find it and search for it, and your photos, videos, and reels will also be hidden. So just tap on the deactivate account and that's it. That's essentially how you can deactivate your Instagram account on both iOS and Android devices in this new update. You can reactivate it at any time through the Account Center or by simply logging in. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.